So if you've been in search of a 5-bedroom house, new construction here in Northport, but have been struggling to find the right house that does not cost an arm and a leg, well, you guys may not know about this brand new construction community that just opened up by DR Horton, and it does have a 5-bedroom, 3-bathroom floor plan that is not an arm and a leg of a price. And I'm really excited to actually share this with you since a lot of people don't know about this community called Central Parc. And what I love about this community is it's great for people that are looking for one, to be on public utilities instead of well and septic. You have resort style amenities, including a resort style pool, a lot of pickleball courts, tennis courts, clubhouse, walking trails, sidewalks, a very nice community vibe as well as different lakes scattered throughout. Since this used to be an old golf course, it is super flat. It is a very nice, quiet community, and if you buy right now, you will be one of the very first members to buy in this community, and they are offering a very low interest rate of 5.99%. And right behind me is actually the 5-bedroom floor plan that we are going to be looking at. It's going to be 5 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, just over 2,000 square feet for only $393,000. Yes, you heard that right. $393,000 for a 5-bedroom house here in Northport, which is going to blow everyone out of the water, especially the people that are looking at buying a 5-bedroom house. You guys know exactly what those prices look like, and they're pretty much non-existent here in the Northport market. And if you guys want access to this floor plan, want to know all about this community, the different amenities here, the features, the HOA fees, everything like that, I have a dedicated builder's package for you guys. Click the link down in the description down below. It's going to unlock all the information you possibly would want to know about this community. And if you guys want to get in touch about talking a little bit about this community, or if you guys want to buy in another new construction community, you guys can reach out to me and my team with our contact information down below. But with all that being said, let's go and check out the Lakeside model here at Central Parc in Northport, Florida. Now it's time to jump in and get to the good part. So now if you guys have come from one of our other videos here on YouTube, you will remember that there are only a couple different elevations that are going to be in this community depending on the floor plan. This is just one of the elevations that you see here. So as we walk through the Lakeside model here, this is what I love, is that you actually are able to take a look at what it would look like to be fully furnished. This is a model house here at Central Parc. So we have 2 bedrooms up front right when we walk into this house. Both are very nice size for about 2,000 square feet. And then we have a shared bathroom in the middle. What you guys will notice is that there's the exact same tile, the exact same carpet, the exact same flooring throughout all of these models here. You have the same baseboards. And what I love about this community is that they actually lay the tile flooring correct and actually with the flow of the house and not against it, because there's some new construction houses that are not laid correctly. So as we see here, as we walk into the kitchen, all standard is all of the stainless steel appliances. We have the 36-inch shaker style cabinets, and then we have this decent sized pantry here with the wire shelves that's perfect for organizing, storage, all that. We have a dedicated dining room space area to entertain friends and family. Then, of course, we have our laundry, which is your washer and dryer that comes with the property. And then, of course, this is going to be another bedroom here. What I would, obviously, a lot of people are work from home now these days, so make that your office a little bit closer. Right here, once again, these 2 bedrooms are shared with a full bathroom as well. You will see quartz countertops throughout the entire property. You have carpets in all of the bedrooms, and then you have the 6-inch by 24-inch plank tile flooring that is found throughout the kitchen, foyer, baths, and the laundry area. So what's also nice is that this house does actually also come with the blinds, so you don't have to worry about spending thousands of dollars on drapery. And then another thing to note is that there is actually automatic irrigation on the exterior. We have not mentioned that in our videos, but what is fantastic is that you do get that automatic irrigation system. So now we are walking into what is known as the primary suite here. Lots of natural light that are coming through. Obviously the blinds are partially open, so not as much natural light, but there is still a good amount. Then we have a nice dual sink vanity, quartz countertop with a full panel of a mirror, And then of course we have our walk-in shower right here with the nice size tiles, a very large walk-in closet that we cannot forget about here, guys. But I hope you guys get a great idea for what this floor plan is like. And of course we got to go check out this exterior spot before we finish up this video. So as we walk through, obviously there's going to be a doorway out into your large corner lanai, which I love because of the pavers. And then of course, this is perfect for doing screened in porch for entertaining friends and family and guests. And like I said, these views are absolutely immaculate. So that pretty much sums up the tour of the Lakeside model here in the Central Park community in Northport. What I love about this house specifically is that the 5 bedrooms are actually very well thought out in my opinion. And not only that is the views. Obviously you have a nice little lake view here. You don't have to worry about anyone building right here because it's all green space. So you don't have to worry about having a neighbor here. You just have a neighbor on your one side, which is super nice. And like I said, the prices here for a 5-bedroom house are absolutely crazy, being at only $393,000. There's a lot of money people can save, especially when the HOA fee for a single family house is only $215 a month. Super cheap, especially if you're looking to be in a nice new construction community here in Northport. So if you guys found interest in this house and if you guys want more information, I have a dedicated builder's package specifically for this community. You guys can click the link down in the description down below. It's 100% free for everyone that's looking to buy in here. And if you guys just have general questions or if you guys want to reach out to me and my team to discuss any other real estate here in Northport or Sarasota, you can reach out to us with our contact information down in the description down below. But with all that being said, we appreciate you guys checking out this video and we will catch you guys all next week.